4-bedroom/2 bath with 1,791 square feet. New construction in North Greene County with bays, mountain range views. Large 2.87-acre lot. Great open floor plan that offers a dining area, big living area, and kitchen with all appliances conveying with sale. Laundry/mudroom/pantry area conveniently located off the back deck entrance and into the kitchen area. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet and primary bath with soaking tub shower combo and double vanities on separate sides. 3 other nice size bedrooms and a full bath with access from the great room and hall. Covered front porch to enjoy the mountain views. Acreage offers room for additional buildings and/or livestock and horses.